One of the most underrated tools in AutoCAD is the Properties palette. Many users ignore it completely or only use it when they have to. But if you know how to use it properly, it can dramatically speed up your workflow and help you make cleaner, more consistent drawings. Let's see what you might be missing. First thing first, how do we open it? Just press Ctrl+1 or type properties in the command line. Once it's open, keep it pinned to the side of your screen. Trust me, it is worth the screen space, As soon as you select an object, it shows all of that object's properties. Let's select a line. In the Properties palette, we can see all its key information: layer, color, line type scale, line weight, length, angle, and more. Need to change the color? Just click and choose a new one. Want it on a different layer? No need to use the layer drop-down above. Just change it here. You can also directly edit the length or angle. No need to use the rotate or scale command. Now let's try with a circle. Notice that now we see radius and area too. The properties shown depend on what object you select. Now let's select multiple objects, say 2 lines and a rectangle. At the top of the Properties palette, it tells us how many objects are selected. If they share properties, like being on the same layer, you will see that value. If they are different, you will see various. Now watch this. We will change the layer for all of them at once. Easy. Same for color, line type, or line weight. It is one of the fastest ways to do bulk editing without messing around with selecting filters. The Properties palette gets even more powerful when working with text or dimensions. Let's select a piece of text. You can change the style, height, rotation, justification. Okay. All right, here. Now try selecting a dimension. You get access to dimension style, text override, precision, a row size, and more. Want to change the text height of several dimensions at once? Just select them and update the property here. No need to modify this style. Beside appearance, you can also edit geometry directly. Select a line. You can change its start and end points from the palette. For a polyline, you can adjust the total length, or the width of segments. This saves time when you just need to, tweak something slightly without using complex commands. Here are some quick tips. You can dock the palette on either side of your screen. Right-click inside the palette to access Quick Select, a super powerful filtering tool. If it ever disappears, just press Ctrl+1 again. Using the Properties palette doesn't just make you faster, it makes you more precise, consistent, and it control. So don't ignore it, make it a regular part of your workflow.